Go peek.
Alright, 30 seconds, guys.
Alright,
What's the plan?
I forgot, is Russia on our side?
Take this.
We're just gonna go aggressive on
We're
this.
going here.
God, it's so laggy.
Muet. The problem is, we should have like spawned on the far right side.
Yeah.
We're literally completely facing the middle.
we can't. We can spawn on the far right side.
Prophecy.
Here.
Where does the rockets go for the right side?
We're gonna have to
Right.
kill
The
everyone, bro.
rockets are front.
Bruh.
Where does the rockets go for the right side?
It's starting.
Kick them out, bro.
Okay,
Yo, Murat.
wait, rockets, put it here.
Wait, is the command just...
Yeah,
The
we will
right
take that
side.
side.
In the
Oh,
forest?
Don't let them spectate. Don't let them...
They're not the
Yeah.
trees?
Yeah,
Okay.
Wait, Winston, are you fucking even giving me?
What
and
is
Howitz first
doing,
here.
Bro,
Put
get
it behind
Alpha
him.
D, bro. He's trolling, bro.
Yo,
Look at his
okay,
formation.
Now for the loadout.
I'm joining the fuck. I'm using my skirmishers.
Howitzers are here, okay? And I did a square here at least.
Spawn
Rockets
mid,
will be
spawn
here.
mid.
Infantry, you take
Spawn
this.
mid. Spawn
Make-
mid.
Don't need to
Alright,
stick
my
together.
Use, exotic. Me will be the cavalry. What? I think I did more.
Wait, but we just...
Bro, where are they going?
I
at?
did more cavalry. Bruh. Manko, you will be the
bro,
cavalry.
bro.
The rest
Yeah, Muet, can you tell the British to go aggressive?
What's the...
They will.
Russia is isolated. Russia is going. Yeah, they're isolated. They're isolated. And a lot of cannons as well.
Yo,
No
shit.
howitzers, bruh.
I'm gonna catch you.
Got
Four cavalry. Infantry, you bring howitzers. Infantry, you bring howitzers. Cavalry,
Alright.
you bring rockets.
They want us to push you.
Infantry, advance here more, a little more. Advance it here more.
Zep, can you
Rockets
be the
here,
top square, please?
howitzers, I'll put it here. Everyone, advance a little more, come on.
I'm happy. Wait, can you go up this area? I'm going to try to.
Okay, Manko, I will allow you to Hussar, but can you, no, wait. Okay, I'll just allow you to Hussars, but bring, rocket. With my eyes, tell me your friend. And we are spawning in the mid.
Yo, rockets, put it here. Ace, don't.
We're left, Lancers on the... Sorry, to our right, Lancers. To our right, Lancers.
We are red team. We are red team.
Mm.
Okay, ceasefire air rockets, how we keep firing.
Can you trap this guy? No, never mind.
Could we start? Not yet.
Guys, put the rocket.
We're not starting. We're
Put it
starting
here,
at
put it here.
45, so
Holy crap, I don't have a tie for 45. Why?
bro.
Okay.
Lancers. I just lagged out.
Oh my.
Oh, I can charge them from there, I think.
Take
Here,
this,
I'm gonna
take
cut them
a
off. I'm
fight
gonna
with
cut
this.
them off. I'm gonna cut them off.
Man, British start.
All cavalry, please, focus on this, it's all trapped. Trap them here,
Look at
here.
right side. Look at right side, yeah, look at right side.
Go on, trap them. Continue pushing
we're
there.
outnumbered. Alright. They made the fucking biggest win. Look at on the blue side.
Bro, what a good clash. We got it. We got that shit, bro.
Nice one. Why the fuck is not fucking increasing?
Yeah, we clapped that shit.
Alright.
22 to
Yeah,
25.
the cavalry got deleted.
Okay, sorry.
Yo. We could support this. We could support
Germans can
Britain here.
What's the max? Wait,
Wait,
what's
Infantry
the
push more. Infantry push now, push. Take this. Make a grand battery here. Move the grand battery here. Our infantry push.
Wait.
Yo, UN. We just need army bait on
no.
our side. We
Two
could push
sides, two
aggressive on Russia with our
Winston,
cavalry right
Winston.
now.
Just have the
Yeah, we're already
How
doing it.
The Germans play. Because the server max is like 50, and we have 25 on. We're maxed out on blue side.
Okay, I'm
Okay,
back.
And look,
Here, I'm gonna start charging them on the front.
Rockets, put it here.
Take the
Howitzers,
square.
leave it there.
Nice.
No, I mean the
Yeah,
thing
just
is, we're gonna host like
surrounded them,
future
okay.
trainings for this, and we
Of
don't
course,
want
this is-
Germans
this is-
involving.
Okay. Put the
Artillery bay on the right.
I'm doing
No,
it.
wait, this is Hong Rally. Cause this side is
Protect
Russian.
the Howitzers on the back
It's
line.
supposed to be Malay.
Yeah,
Just focus on-
you get it. There we go. Surround. Yes, nice.
Can someone activate who's Yo Manko, move your rockets close to our line.
Translate.
We need RDB right side.
Some lancers, please activate.
Lancers.
Infantry hard push right there.
But-
Yo, Muret,
That's
your rocket is moving.
Hong
Muret, your
Kong
rocket is
is
moving.
Infantry.
You guys gotta see that.
Oh, Lancers in our rear. Lancers in our rear.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm chasing it.
Should I play for it, bro?
Yeah, okay, here. Russia got
Ace,
cooked. Russia got
push
cooked.
here.
Just wait. Ace, don't push it. British is gonna come soon, okay? Just wait. Muret, just wait. We just need to RDB, man. Trust me.
I think I play fucking.
Left side is cooked, alright?
Murat, we got the Lancers, bro.
Chill.
Oh, no, I lost that.
Lancers.
Yeah, wait for the
chase.
British to sweep. Okay?
We got
Wait for the British to
it.
Let me check the players
Okay,
again.
Ace, push here on my plane. Push here on my
They
plane.
sold. Oh, I lost another Lancer.
Wait, why is Napoleon?
It's a
with
2v1,
us?
just go for it.
Chase it.
Yo,
Some help of Fabius.
I need you more in.
I can't. Wait, is this you? Who are you? I just lost all my Lancers trying to get these
Oh.
guys.
Okay,
Yeah,
Trevor,
there's
just
spam
play
cannon.
defensive, okay? We just need RDB.
I got. Get the charge bonus.
Are we spamming rockets?
This guy's dead.
There you go.
I can be the gun.
Okay,
battery
we got
and I
the-
get 4 lines.
Okay, we got the second Lancer
Okay,
guys
okay.
over here.
Yes, my
We need more. Abasis, we need more
It's
infantry. Come on. Winston, are you gonna play?
Here, I'm gonna start artillery baiting.
No, I cannot
Get this guy back. I'm gonna start artillery baiting.
Man.
I only have a few layers left.
Trevor.
Zach, I don't.
Okay.
Are you sure about your hussars?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, I'm going. Okay.
Ace is here.
No,
Okay,
I
hold
can't
on,
artillery
hold
bait.
on.
That's way too much damage.
DPS wise.
I can activate.
They're going to blob. If they
Prepare to
No,
swear.
don't. They do way too much damage.
Are we really gonna add this guy?
Just have the infantry. Just have the infantry do it.
Infantry.
Up to you, Winston.
Fall back a little. Fall back.
Hold up.
Grand battery as well. Put it here. Grand battery, put it here.
Move it.
Yo, are we gonna let Ethanol play?
Ace. We will wait you for a reform.
It's up to you. Not the main commander.
Okay, sure.
Bro,
Okay, I will let
you-
him in. But as an infantry,
I'll try to
7-1-2.
Howitzers.
Alright, Ethanol, you can play.
Defenses on this area.
Ace, threaten this. Try to advance this. Help the
Bro.
British.
He's in blue team, bruh.
Sorry.
He's gonna fucking sabotage.
Wait, is him
Okay,
blue
Trevor,
team?
advance,
Why is he
advance,
on the
advance.
server?
Do we already have a skirmish left side, bro? Zach!
What?
Look, there's a bitch coming after you. It's Ethanol. It's Ethanol. Wait, it's Ethanol, bro.
Advance. General advance. Come on, everyone. General advance.
Yo, I'm gonna take leave. It already looks like you guys are winning this. I have to go do something. I wish you guys the best luck.
Ain't no way you're swimming against Ethanol.
Yeah, and we're winning this. All right.
Destroy him, bro.
Grand battery, put it here. General advance. Opposite. Come on.
Bro, what is this?
Every artillery.
Nah,
Yo.
they're not allowed to start. Careful, they got careful.
This is making me feel sleepy, okay?
Grand battery. Advance it here. Again, all grand battery. Howitzers, rockets. Put it here.
Thing.
Wait, what? Where do we set up the gun battery?
Wait, why do we have so much rockets? We need a little more hallways.
That's fine.
Trevor, move.
Ace is
Close
really
in,
hollow.
everyone, close in.
Oh, we got Trevor as well though. Okay. Yeah, sure. I guess we can do that.
Yeah, it's right on them, right on
Gotta
them.
be aggressive though.
I'm going to activate for you, Trevor. Hey, did you try it? Nice one, Ace.
Alright, 30 seconds, guys.
Alright,
What's the plan?
take this.
We're just gonna go aggressive
We're
on
going
this.
here.
God, it's so laggy.
Right, we got another square.
That's the square, that's the square, that's the square, that's the
You're right,
square.
you're right. The problem is, we should have like spawned on the far right
Ceasefire.
side.
Grand battery, ceasefire. Every grand battery we have,
We're literally
ceasefire.
completely facing the middle.
We can't. We can spawn on the far right side.
Guys, they got lots of
Here.
What is the rockets going for the right side?
We're gonna have to
No, the
2v1, bro.
The rockets are front.
But let's reform for now.
Where does the rockets go for the right side?
It's starting.
Ace, come back to us, Ace.
Wait, rockets, put it here.
Guys, let's start pulling
Yeah,
back
we
the
will take
battery
that side.
on my ping.
In the forest?
Start pulling back. Why they still have
Yeah.
Trees?
if they still have units?
Yeah.
Okay.
We need to reform and how many do we
How
infantry
first
do we have?
here.
Bro,
Put
get
it behind
Alpha
him.
D,
Still
bro.
have
He's
complete
trolling, bro. Look at his
infantry.
formation.
Ace and Trevor are still alive. None of
On my ping, on my
That's
ping.
fine.
Put the gun on my ping. Using my skirmishers.
Howitzers are here,
Or
okay? And I did
on
a
the
square
fucking
here
road.
at least.
Just put the gun on
Rockets
my
will be
ping on the
here.
road.
Infantry, you take this. Make
on
Don't
our
need
side
to
are
make
together.
together.
With us. Only one Kyle.
Out really on my square. Hey, how many losses did you lose?
Bro,
I
where
saw
are
you
they
charge
going
that
at?
square.
Two.
Yeah,
I
Viewer,
only
can
lost
you tell the
one
bridge to
side.
go aggressive?
They will.
Russia is
Something that
isolated.
fucking
Russia is
land.
going. Yeah, they're isolated. And a lot of cannons as well.
Bro,
No
the
howitzers,
lags
bro.
like Zep.
Where?
What is going on?
Doing okay. I'm going to start.
Alright.
They want us to push it.
Infantry, advance here more, a little more.
Alright, we're
Advance
basing
it
home,
here
right?
more. Rockets
Let
here.
the
Howitzers, put it
British
here.
handle the...
Everyone, advance a little more. Come on.
Alright, move the grand battery on this area. I'm going to try to. Going to.
Where is it?
On my ping. Trevor, I want you to go here. And Ace. Right, go advance here.
Put it here.
Form a line on this area.
All
rocket,
artillery,
put
come
it
on,
here,
put it
put
in
it
one
here.
place.
Ace, don't.
Ace, advance.
Ace, take this. Abbasids, take this.
Left Lancers on
Ace,
the...
here,
Sorry, to our right
here.
Lancers. To our right
Trevor, here.
Lancers.
Oh fuck, I'm not good.
Advance the battery here.
Okay,
I need it close.
Wait. Ceasefire
We're bringing
rockets.
mostly
Ceasefire
rockets, we need
rockets.
it
So we
close.
keep firing.
Put the battery here. Come on. Abbasids.
Hey, trap this
At
guy.
my ping.
No, never mind.
Yeah, I'm fucking killing the grand battery. Guys, put the rocket with her. Need to fucking escape.
Put it here.
Okay.
Lancers. I just lagged out.
Put it here.
I can charge him from the rear, I think.
Take
Here,
this.
I'm gonna cut them
take
off.
a
I'm
fight
gonna
with
cut
this.
them off. I'm gonna cut them
Wait,
off.
smart. And
All cover, please. Focus on this. It's all trapped. Trap them here.
Grand battery here. Come on.
Go on. Trap them. Continue pushing there.
I'm being chased by dragoons. They got dragoons, okay?
Oh, okay.
I lost my fucking tab.
Oh, what a good
Abbasid,
flag.
how
We
about
got
you
it. We
advance?
got
Okay,
that
Abbasids,
shit, bro.
advance more. Do not let these
Nice one.
troops regroup with them. Advance more. Face them. Come on.
That's the
Yeah, we clapped that shit.
I need to use my.
Yeah, the cavalry got deleted.
Grand battery, advance it here. Grand battery, advance it
We
here.
could support this.
Battery,
We could
advance
support,
it here.
Britain here.
Okay, Murat.
We just need
Infantry push more. Infantry push now, push. Take this.
Right side, my right side, opposite.
Make a
Keep
grand
up,
battery here. Move the grand battery here. Our infantry push.
They're grabbing up.
Yo, Murat. We just need arty bait on our side. We could push aggressive on.
Lancers, focus
Russia
more on
with
left.
our
Focus
cavalry
more on
right
left.
now.
Focus more on left.
Yeah, we're already doing it.
We got the start. I got advantage of 3.
Here, I'm gonna start charging them in the front.
Rockets put it here. Hold it
Square.
first. Leave it there.
Nice. Yeah, just literally surrounded them. Okay.
Of course, this is the spread.
No.
Put the
Artillery bay on the right.
I'm doing it.
Protect the.
Do not be afraid against their howitzers, okay?
Okay, you get. There we go. Surround. Yes, nice.
Grand battery, if you're not firing, open
Someone
fire.
articulate,
Everyone open fire.
Yo, Manco,
Wait,
move your
I'm
rockets
chasing
close to our line.
We need arty bait right side.
Some lancers, please activate.
Lancers.
Yo, Murat, your rocket is moving. Murat, your rocket is moving.
Oh, Lancers in our rear.
Yeah, I'm chasing it.
Advance.
okay,
Grand battery. Advance
Push
more.
here.
Every battery we have, come on, advance more.
Don't push it. The British is gonna come soon, okay? Just wait. Murat, just wait. We just need to arty bait, man. Trust me. So that
We got
side is cooked, alright?
Murat, we got the Lancers, bro.
Chill.
Oh, no, I lost that.
Lancers.
Wait for the British to sweep.
We got it.
Okay, Ace, push here on my bait. Push here on my
They
bait.
sold. Oh, I lost another Lancer.
2v1, it's a 2v1. Just go for it.
Chase it. Some help of papers.
I can't.
Yo, Lancer, save me.
Wait, is this you? Who are you? I just lost all my Lancers trying to get these guys.
Last one.
Okay,
Pull back,
just play
Trevor,
defensive,
a
okay?
little.
We just need arty bait. This guy's dead.
Here. Pull a little here on my left,
Okay,
Trevor.
we got the second Lancer guys over here. Here, I'm gonna start artillery baiting. Get this guy back. I'm gonna
No,
start
don't
artillery
retreat.
baiting. I only have a few Lancers left.
Trevor. Okay.
Lancers, activate. Some activate.
No,
Okay,
I can't
hold.
artillery bait. That's way too much damage.
I can activate. Prepare to
No,
spread.
don't.
Grand battery, at that swing.
Just have the infantry do it.
Infantry.
Ace, Trevor,
Fall
full
back,
retreat. Don't tank it.
Grand battery as well. Put it here. Grand battery, put it here.
Move it.
Ace, we will wait you for a reform.
We're fighting outnumbered.
We're holding out on the right.
I'll try to snatch the howitzers, but I'm going to put defensive on this area.
Just hold out.
Threaten
I'm gonna
this,
just hold out.
Try
Okay,
to
British
advance
is
it.
coming.
Help the British.
Look at the British. Sorry. Oh, yeah, we're going to the station somehow.
Okay, Trevor, advance.
Fantastic. Just be careful with your perimeter. Checking out ethanol in the back.
They're not
Advance. General advance. Come on, everyone. General advance.
Yo, I'm gonna take lead. Alright, looks like you guys are winning this. I have to go do something. I wish you guys the best luck.
Alright.
And we're winning.
Zap. Get in this side. Get inside. I think there's hussars in here.
Grand battery, put it here.
I'm checking that.
General advance. Opposite. Come on. Every artillery. Yo.
Careful, take it. Perimeter. Move the battery. The RP. I'm checking out ethanol.
Okay, I got it.
Grand battery. Advance it here. Again, all Grand Battery. Howitzers, rockets, put it here.
It's like go Lancer, help, support. There's no square here. There's no square here. It's free to kill.
Guys, we got lancers on the back. I need lancers in the back. We got some artists in the center.
Trevor, move. Close in, everyone, close in.
Yo, protect. Go Zep.
Yeah, it's threaten them. Wait, it's the stars, it's the top.
So sorry, chill.
I saw, my bad. I'm going to activate for your timer.
Grand Battery, don't move, no. All your artillery, put it here at the ping. Get into the square. Yo, Ace, don't melee them, bro. Ceasefire, artillery, ceasefire. We have a melee ongoing.
Right, we got another square.
Hey Joe, after you're done with this, can you go to ISAVC?
Ceasefire. Grand Battery, ceasefire. Every Grand Battery we have.
I can click my fucking screen.
Joe?
Guys,
Joe Gatimus.
We got lancing on the left.
Wait, is there... Oh.
But let's reform for now. I think we'll just start pulling back. They still got the stars.
Ace, come back to us, Ace.
Come back. Trevor.
Guys, let's start pulling back the Grand Battery on this one.
Alright, everyone pull back.
Pull back. Here.
Pull back. They still have...
Retreat
units.
everyone here.
We need to reform and... how many do we infantry do we have?
We still have complete infantry. Ace and Trevor are still alive. None of...
On my ping,
Yeah,
I like pull
okay.
back. What's
Okay.
on my ping? What are they saying?
Infantry
Or
line up.
On the fucking road. Just put the Grand Battery on my
Are we
ping
pulling
on the
back or
road.
not? Or
No.
are we done?
A little more
on our
here.
side, I think we lost.
A little
Yeah,
close
but
to British. Even the Grand Battery, everything we have.
How many losses did you lose?
We'll go for a charge.
That works. Oh, okay. I know what you're doing. Form a line.
I only lost one.
Zep is still alive.
I'll start going back to the back line now. Try to take their artillery.
Okay, Zep, be aggressive now.
Oh, the
Grand
last
Battery,
one.
station it here.
What is
Last
going
station,
on?
and we will not move it anymore.
Doing okay so far.
Ain't no way, they're Dragoon. Zep, it's your show. Most of them are Dragoons.
Alright, we're facing home, okay? Let the
Wait, we don't need to
British
die.
handle the...
No, Lancers we have. Come on, flank this side. Every cavalry we have. Abbasids.
Anyway,
Come with me.
You need to take out the lancers. Or the goons. Going to...
Alright.
Wait, are we still
Cut the
going
Dragoons
up
line.
plan? Are we going to charge or not? Trevor.
Lancer, I need my help. They're all Dragoons. Come on.
Right, go advance here. I got the
Put it
stars,
here.
I'm supporting. Form a line on this area. I'm sparing the Grand Battery, okay?
All
Try to
artillery,
spare up
come
the
on,
Grand
put it
Battery
in
then.
one place.
Okay, we got it.
Ace, advance.
Ace, take this.
Zep, take this.
Abbasids, take this. Ace, here. Trevor, here.
I'm taking.
Grand Battery, stop it here. Grand Battery, just stop it here.
Oh, fuck, I'm not square in that area.
Advance the battery here.
Oh, they still have
I need
infantry
it
on the
close.
right side.
We're bringing mostly rockets. I need it close. Put the battery here. Come on. Abbasid,
Infantry, stay. Do not move yet.
at my ping.
Yeah, I'm fucking killing the Grand Battery. Need to fucking escape.
Put it here.
Okay,
Wait, Micro.
okay, we got infantry on the right. Okay, Grand Battery, move it.
Grand
Move
Battery
it, move it
here,
here. Infantry,
come on.
take this now. Grand Battery, move it here.
It's winnable mo. It's winnable. I'm being chased by the goon. I'm going back to the main line.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what the?
Abbasid, how about we advance? Okay, Abbasid, advance more, advance more. Do not let these troops regroup with them. Advance more. Face them, face them. Come on.
That's the benefit of it.
Grand Battery, put it here.
I got one after artillery.
Grand Battery, advance it here. Grand Battery, advance it here. Battery, advance it here.
I'll artillery for now. Okay,
So much dragoons.
Right side, my right side, Abbasid.
Let's defeat their infantry before their dragoons get into us. Hard push. Abbasid, hard push.
Focus more on left.
Grand Battery
Focus more
here.
on left.
Infantry,
Focus more on left.
get close.
I got the start.
Grand Battery, push it here. At the ping. Hard push. Infantry, come on.
Okay. Alright, every on my team. I got it. Sorry. I don't know.
This is hard push, everyone. Grand Battery, artillery. Exotic. Ace.
They got perimeters inside.
Do not be afraid against the Horvitz.
Can our infantry melee them? We have bets. Go for melee.
Grand Battery.
Howitzer ceasefire. Go for melee.
Open fire.
Cavalry, go behind.
I'm chasing. Guys, now we're Grand Battery. Still there inside. Okay, let's go for melee.
Zep, is your Hussar still alive?
Yeah, I'm still alive. Grand Battery.
Okay, keep rotating your herd. Fall back infantry to the Grand Battery.
Advance, Grand Battery. Advance more. Every battery we have, come on, advance more.
Keep chasing, Zep.
I'm going to take 8 now. I'm checking out the fire from the right flank. And supporting fire. Recharging 8
Lancers, assist Zep at my ping. This one is cornered. Keep charging.
Lancer, save me.
This one is on. Yeah, take that, Manko. Thank you.
Pull back, Trevor. A little. Here. Pull a little here on my left, Trevor.
Keep chasing it. Lancers, attract this if you can. Split. Okay. Here.
No, don't retreat.
Ceasefire, Wizards.
Lancers, activate. Some activate.
Oh, bro. Infantry, just square. Put everything in.
Grand Battery.
We still have Hussar here.
Assessing. Eight. Trevor, full retreat. Don't tank him.
They won't commit it.
We're holding
What
out
is
on
this?
the right.
Just catch that and surround. Micro.
Just hold out. I'm just hold out. Okay, British is coming.
Alright. Yeah, we still got infantry.
Yeah, we still have infantry. And I think they still have.
But we should pull. They got they're spawning. We should
Here. Fall back.
Alright,
Are there no threats? Grand Battery as well.
They're not killing.
Alright, in this area. Alright, start pushing us.
Ace. The Trevor here.
Okay, I'm pulling back my stars. We still have lancers.
Step. Get inside. I need your Hussars in
Where
here.
are you?
Yeah, I know. I'm taking that. When kill them. I'm going to activate for the army for now. I got. Move the gun battery.
Alright. What? They're spamming skirms. Left side is spamming skirms. No, the left side only, the left side. Okay, the right side is serious.
They still got permission.
This
side.
Hold the grand battery here.
There's no square here. There's no square here. It's free. It's free to kill.
I'm going to on the back, right, to take off the gun battery. I need lances in the back, but try to keep that around.
We're up against
Protect.
Yeah,
Close that.
Yeah, I think I will be able to take out their RT.
Oh, start.
Unless this permission. I saw, my bad.
Wait,
battery don't.
Their cavalry is harassing us.
All your artillery, put it here at the ping. Get into the square.
Let the infantry come close. Let their infantry come close.
We're spawning late. The home is spawning late at the top.
Yo, Ace, don't melee them, bro.
Zep, don't die. I need your hussars. There's
ceasefire. Artillery, ceasefire. We have a melee ongoing.
Okay.
Hey Joe, after you're done with this, can you go to ISAVC?
That's the third corner. Fuck, I can click my fucking screen.
Joe? Joe, get to
this enemy. Oh, fuck, it's enemy.
This is a hussar, enemy hussar.
No, is there? Oh,
that's enemy, bro. I think it's just like pulling back. They still got to start.
I can change that.
Yeah, I'll try to get their wings away.
Infantry don't advance. Let them advance. Just
pull
back.
Here at the ping.
Pull back.
Retreat everyone here.
Pull them closer to the combat. Pull them closer to the combat.
Okay, I need lancers. Be aggressive. Harass this.
Okay.
Let's harass it. Exotic still alive.
Infantry line up.
Let's go in this area. Are we pulling up in this area? One lancer.
No. A little more here.
Try to spur them.
Little close to British. Even the grand battery. Everything we have.
Alright, right here.
We'll go for a charge.
Nice, guys. Oh, okay. I know.
Oh, he did not square.
Form a line. We're going to three. I think they're talking finisher. I'll start going back to the back line now.
That's one of my dancers.
Grand battery, station it here.
The threat is clear.
Last station. Right. And we will not move it anymore. Ain't no way. They're dragoon. Zep, it's your show. Most of them are dragoons.
Wait,
don't advance infantry.
No, lancers we have. Come on, flank this side. Every cavalry we have.
Yeah, square.
Come with me. Or dragoon. Wait, are we still doing the plan? Are we going to charge or not?
Lancer, I need my help. They're all dragoons. Come on.
I got the start.
They're leaving.
I'm sparing the grand battery, okay? Going to spare us the grand battery then.
Okay, we got it.
Wait, I got only two.
Please, Zep, take this.
I didn't see you, exotic, sorry. Oh, nice micro.
I'm taking.
Grand battery, stop here. Grand battery, just stop here.
They might have spare in that area. I am thinking like that around. I'm sorry.
They still have infantry on the right side.
Oh, Zep, come with me, come on.
Infantry, stay. Do not move yet.
Just chase this.
Facing. Try to gain first bonus. Try to gain 20 bonus.
We got a hussar here. Don't worry about him.
Alright, let's put him back. There you got me.
Bruh. Just keep chasing, just keep chasing.
Wait.
Okay, we got infantry on the right.
Okay, you can feel
Okay, Grand Battery, move it. Move it here. Infantry, take this now. Take this now. Grand Battery, move it here.
It's winnable. It's winnable now. It's winnable.
Okay.
I'm going back to the main menu.
Go to Novanix Spring. Go to Novanix Spring.
Sure.
Your character. Rally pick.
Okay. I got the reset. I got to pay attention.
We will do a rally pick with Brits. With the British. Go to Novanix Spring.
Grand Battery, put it
Everyone did good.
No, my character will bug out.
I'll to wait for now.
So much dragoons.
Help my character, bro.
Let's defeat their infantry before the dragoons
I'm sending my
get into
people.
us.
And my character bug out. Just hang on.
Where?
Hard push. Opposite, hard push.
Nothing.
Grand Battery here. Infantry.
Guys,
get
in
those.
position. Come on. A good position. Come on.
Right there.
Grand Battery, push it here. At the
Go to Novanix
hard
Spring,
push.
guys,
Infantry,
guys.
come on.
Okay.
That's our position.
Alright,
Go to Novanix Spring. Go.
They got sorry. It's winnable, but we can hard push.
For opposites, form
Hard push,
another
hard push,
line
everyone.
in front of them.
Grand Battery, artillery.
Okay.
Exotic. Ace.
In front. I said I heard in front. I think here will be do.
They got missiles inside.
Can our infantry melee them? We have bets. Go for melee. Howitzer ceasefire. Go for melee. Cavalry, go behind.
Guys, now we're Grand Battery.
Mango, come on, get those.
So let's go for one.
I'm taking ours. Wait.
Zep.
Okay,
is your
we got
Hussar
our
still